So, my dear friends, we are welcome again to my English lessons. Today, we are going to talk about adjectives in this lesson. What are the adjectives and how they are formed in English language? First of all, let's see what is an adjective. Normally, an adjective modifies a noun. They normally come before nouns. Normally, a noun is modified by an adjective. I have added 3 adjectives here to teach you, to tell you how it modifies the noun. Man is the noun here, but good, bad, tall are the adjectives. Normally, adjectives are placed before a noun. Here you see good man, then the value of the man upgraded. Bad man, here the value of the man decreases. Tall man, the tall changes the value. In this way, you can see how it functions in English language. Instead of that, we can form a simple sentence by using only an adjective. I am happy. Here you see happy is an adjective. You are tired. It is beautiful. In these sentences you see only adjectives are used to form the simple sentence. Now I will tell you what are the common ways of forming adjectives in English language. Normally we can see some adjectives in English language as adjectives. For example, poor, proud, happy, long and fat. These words function as adjectives in English language. The other way of forming adjectives, the adjectives form from nouns. Nature is a noun, so we can make natural, it becomes an adjective. Power, we add full, it becomes to powerful. Base is the noun, we can say basic, this is an adjective. These are some examples forming adjectives from nouns. Next, let's see, some adjectives can be formed, can be changed or can be made by using adjectives. This is pure is an adjective by using prefix. Impure, it is also an adjective, impure. Careful is an adjective, we can change the suffix careless, it is also an adjective. Happy is an adjective, but we can change that by using prefix unhappy, it is also an adjective. In this way, you can make some adjectives from adjectives. The other way is, from verbs we can form some adjectives. For example, I have taken 3 examples. Use, useful, love, lovely, understand, understandable. So, from verbs we can form some adjectives. As a general idea, I teach you all those things as a summary. Normally adjectives come before a noun, it modifies the noun. Normally an adjective can come before a noun and modifies the noun. Sometimes we can make simple sentences by using an adjective. Normally adjectives can be seen in the English language and they are formed from adjectives, from nouns, from verbs. So, these are the basic or common patterns how adjectives are formed in English language. Right. In my next video, I hoped to about the 3 degrees of adjectives. If you wish to learn that, you can follow my next video. Until then, see you. Bye.